In primetime news this evening, plane reportedly destined for Jamaica with hurricane relief supplies crashes. But did it have a permit to land in the country?
The United States pledges millions more in cash to Jamaica's relief effort.
And local food chain in jeopardy as bees population takes a hit from Hurricane Melissa. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's coming up in business news. Here's Andrea.
Well, Janella, this evening we're talking about the parent company of this station. The RJR Gleaner Communications Group has reported improved financial performance for the quarter ended September 30, 2025. I'll have that and more in the Business Day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jerry?
Well, thanks, Archibald. Well, talks still ongoing about the resumption of the Manning and the Costa Cup competitions. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janelle. Now, over the next few days, we do have some shower activity in the forecast. However, as the week ends, we do expect drier conditions across most of the island. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
Thank you. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the details of that weather report and forecast later on in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, this evening we are asking, what would you do to ensure more transparency in how the hurricane relief money is spent?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.